गाइस आज हम पॉलिटिक्स का चैप्टर 2 के नोट्स रीड करेंगे। पहला नोट्स क्या है, व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी। अब हमें ये बताना है डेमोक्रेसी क्या है। टू टाइप्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, डेमोक्रेटिक एंड नॉक्स डेमोक्रेटिक। अर्बन लेक्सडाइन सेड डेमोक्रेसी इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल एंड ऑफ द पीपल। Democracy comes from Greek word deems means people, kratia means rule. Democracy is ruled by the people. अब है a simple definition of democracy. A democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. अब है features of democracy. The rules, elections, the people from the government. Major decision by elected leaders. Story of Pakistan. General Pervez Mashbura of led a military coup in 1999. Overview. Democratically elected government and declared himself chief electivity. Chase to president and in 2002 held a referendum gave him 5-year extension. Reports of media, human rights organization and democracy activities said that referendum was based on malpractice and fraud. In August 2002, issued legal framework order, according to which the president can dismiss the national and provincial assemblies. Work of civilian cabinet was the National Security Council. It was dominated by military officers. Election held national and provincial assemblies. Elected representatives had some power, but the final power rests with military officers and General Musharraf himself. Clearly, Pakistan, from many reasons, could not be called democratic. People may have elected their representative of national and provincial assembly, but they are not the ruler. They do not have the final. Military and general are not elected by the people, but they have the final power. This cannot be called people's rule. Thus, we have our first features. In democracy, the final decision making power must reside with the elected by the people. Free and fair electoral competition. Case of China. Elections are regularly held after every 5 years for electing the country's parliament. Parliament called Kona Reno Deminis the National People's Congress. Cho Goj Riham the K Daisi Dahi NPC has the power to appoint the president of the country. Nearly 3,000 members elected from the all over Chint, some one elected by the military army. Before contesting election, accordate neighbors the value of the Chinese Communist Party allied parties. The government is always formed by the Communist Party. Case of Mexico got independence in 1930 and hold the election after 6 years to elect president. UTPL 2000 every election won of PRI Institutional Revolutionary Party contest but never managed to win. PRI used many dirty tricks to win the election. Tricks क्या है अब government had to attend party meetings. Teachers of government school forced parents to vote for PRI. Media ignored activities of other parties except criticize them. Sometimes peddling booth shifted at the last minute. PRI spent large sum of money, 90 companies, and for their coordinate problems. In China, the election do not offer the people any serious choice. In Mexico, people seemed to really have choice, but in practice they had no choice. No fair extension. Thus, we get our second features to our understanding of democracy. A democracy myths be used on based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. one person, one vote, and one value. Universal adult franchise accept almost all over the world, yet many don't. In Saudi Arabia, women do not have right to vote. Estonia has made its citizenship rule in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. In Fiji, the electoral system is such that the vote of an ignorance Fiji more value than that of an Indian Fiji. Democracy is based Democracy is based on the principle of politics equality. Thus, we have a fundamental principle of politics equality. Thus, we have our third features of democracy. In a democracy, each adult citizens must have one vote and each vote must have one value. Rule of law and respect for rights. Case of Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule in 1980. Since independence, rule of ZANU-PF party that led freedom struggle leader Robert Mugabe has been ruling. Election held regularly won by ZANU-PF. Mugabe is rule but also used unfair practice. Constitution was changed several times to increase the power of president and make him less accountable. Opposition party workers heard and their muting dispute. Public protest and demonstration declare illegal law limits the right to criticize the president. Thank you.